Learn turn on Mobile Hotspot on your Android phone in 2026 so you can share your mobile internet connection with laptops, tablets, or other devices anytime with a simple and secure setup process. Open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. This is where all network and connection options are managed. Tap Connections, then select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering to access sharing features. Open Mobile Hotspot and switch the toggle to ON to activate it. If Wi-Fi is active, your phone may ask to turn it off, so mobile data can be shared properly. You can tap Hotspot settings to change the network name, set a strong password, and choose security type for better protection. For best performance, keep mobile data enabled and monitor data usage to avoid exceeding your plan limits while sharing. Alternatively, swipe down from the top of your screen to open quick settings, then tap the hotspot icon for faster access without opening full settings menu. Always use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols to prevent unauthorized users from connecting to your hotspot and consuming your data. If the hotspot does not work, restart your phone, check mobile data connection, or ensure your SIM plan supports tethering features. Turn off hotspot when not in use to save battery life, reduce data consumption, and improve overall device performance during daily usage and roaming costs as well. Stay connected easily.